Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland. Basic Spanish Lessons. Lesson 22. Present tense for stem changers. Lesson Overview. In Spanish, there are some regular verbs involving vowel changes when conjugating in the present tense. Except for the first person and the second person plural forms. There are three types of Spanish stem changers in the present tense. Type 1. E to IE stem changers. Type 2. O to UE stem changers. And type 3. E to I stem changers. Now let us begin with part 1. E to IE stem changers. Now let's use the verb querer as an example. The present tense conjugation of this verb is as follows. Querer, to want. Yo quiero. Tú quieres. Él, ella, usted quiere. Nosotros, nosotras queremos. Vosotros, vosotras queréis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes quieren. Other verbs following this pattern are listed in the following table. Now let's take a closer look. Otros verbos como querer. Cerrar. Comenzar. Empezar. Pensar. Entender. Perder. Tener. Mentir. Recomendar. Preferir. Sentir. Y sentirse. Now let me give you two more examples of how E to IE stem changers work in the present tense. The first one is the verb pensar, to think. Yo pienso. Tú piensas. Él, ella, usted piensa. Nosotros, nosotras pensamos. Vosotros, vosotras pensáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes piensan. Next is the verb mentir, to lie. Yo miento. Tú mientes. Él, ella, usted miente. Nosotros, nosotras mentimos. Vosotros, vosotras mentís. Ellos, ellas, ustedes mienten. Now let's take a look at how these verbs are used in the sentence. Please repeat after me. ¿A qué hora empieza la fiesta? No entiendo lo que dices. Me siento feliz cuando hace sol. Juan le recomienda un buen restaurante a su amigo. Now it's time to practice. Let's have a look at exercise 22-1. Traducción del inglés al español. Translate the following English sentences into Spanish by using the verbs we learned before. Pause the video if you need more time. Alright, let's check our answers. 1. The meeting starts at 9. La reunión comienza a las 9. O la reunión empieza a las 9. 2. The boys never close the door. Los chicos nunca cierran la puerta. 3. Our sister lies all the time. Nuestra hermana miente todo el tiempo. 4. My dad prefers horror movies. Mi papá prefiere las películas de terror. 5. I think, therefore I exist. Pienso, luego existo. 6. She always loses her keys. Ella siempre pierde sus llaves. In the next video, we are going to learn part 2, O to UE stem changers. See you in the next video.